Really fucked up.
I swear that you don't have to go. I thought we could wait for the fireworks. I thought we could wait for the snow
To wash over Georgia and
kill the herd. I thought
I
I
could
could wait
die in your arms and spend every moment I had with you. Stay up all night with the stars. Give us all the things I had in you. Had with you. Too
It's hard
late.
doing your fucked up.
Too late, I swear. How's it go? What are the words?
Dude, what's on your
I don't
leg?
know.
Oh, wet. Holy shit.
Where did Brayden go?
He went upstairs to fuck with
Too
Joe and Jessica.
late, I swear.
Hmm,
Oh, how's
okay.
it
She
go?
was making some pretty good noises.
Wait, Kaylee, how's it go?
I don't know. Start singing.
Too late,
I'm sure. I don't know. Play a song. Play the real one.
too late, I'm sure.
Another night, another dream wasted on you. Tell me.
Wait.
Wow.
Wait. Peace, Facebook. Totally got the whole thing.
You
Are you
videotape?
for real?
Ah, come here, let me see it.
Oh
He probably wanted to be videotaped. Just like Joe wants to videotape. Quit taping, quit going down to D, god damn it.
It's a voice recording.
Kyle, shut up.